Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start exercise 3.2 question number 1, in which we have to factorize the following numbers into prime factors. How we will find the prime factors in this question? We will take the LCM of a number, given number, and we will find the factors first, and then we have to express in the index notation. What is index notation? Index or power. Index is also known as power. Number indicates that how many times the number is to be multiplied by itself. Now come to the solution. We will start the solution and then I will explain you that what is index notation again and how we will find the prime factors. So here first we will find the prime factor. So we have a number 45. We will take the LCM of 45 in the rough word. Now here we have 45. First we will divide it with 2. Now the last number is 5. It is completely divided with 3 or 5 itself. So here we will divide 3 ones are 3. 1 will be carry, 3 5s are 15. Now here 3 5s are 15 and 5 ones are 5. Always take the LCM from the smallest number. Don't take the LCM direct from the greatest number. We will start the LCM from the smallest number. Now here 3 and 5 is the factor of 45. So we will find the prime factor by taking the LCM of a given number. Now these are the factors of 45. So here we will write the factors. Now we have to express them in index notation also. So in index notation, the number indicates that how many times the number is to be multiplied by itself. So here we have 3. How many times it can be multiplied? 2, and 5 will be as it is. So that power is known as index notation. Power or index is the same. So here we have the index notation in which the number indicates that how many times the number is multiplied here. So here 3 is multiplied 2 times. So we will change it into index notation. Okay. Now we will do second part. Now in second part we have 60. So we will take the LCM to convert it into prime factor.